Hello, Grand Design RV owners. This is Ashley, Dustin's better half. Do you need any seam tape for your Grand Design RV? This tape is not only used to cover seams between wall panels, but it's also used to hide any imperfections and can even help you make some customizations. Finding the right color for your rig is easy with Grand Design's online parts lookup. I've listed the web address in the YouTube description box below. Simply select your year, model, and floor plan for your unit. The parts category will be interior, and the subcategory will be panels and trims. Don't worry, these instructions are also listed below. As you can see, Grand Design could have used one of many color options when your floor plan was built. So don't go by memory. Go inside your unit and compare and contrast the color offerings with your interior so you pick the right seam tape for your unit. Shop our stash of Grand Design seam tapes from our eBay store, where we offer convenient 8.5-foot sections in various color offerings, as opposed to the 150-foot rolls that they are originally sold in. Our eBay store is also linked below, but if you're local, stop on by. Outside of seam tapes, you may find other Grand Design parts that you need, such as an LED light strip or corner caps. Finally, if you haven't yet joined our Facebook group for Grand Design RV owners, what are you waiting for? Check out what fellow Grand Designers are repairing and upgrading, and you'll also see the Grand Design units currently on our repair lot. I really appreciate you watching. Now check out these other linked videos of Grand Design units that were recently in for repairs.